In this section, we'll see what are all HTML elements and how to use it. So HTML element is something like it starts with a start tag. So let's give a tag name here. Start tags like goes like this. A tag is something like it's just between these angular brackets. So this is called a tag. Okay, so you can look this. So this is called tag name tag. So we can just give like name here. So this is called name tag. So whatever, this is called HTML tag. So whatever the tag name goes, so we can just call it as that tag. So the content goes here. Okay, in this HTML elements, the content goes here. After that, we are having the in tag. In tag must starts with like a forward slash like this. Okay, if we just give the forward slash, it just autofill this for us. So in Sublime Text, if you are using that. So this is what an HTML element is. So you can just see this. So this starts with the start tag, and the middle there will be a content that what we want, and after that we will have the end tag like this. So let's see some of the like a couple of examples in the tags, and let's learn how it works. So for that, we'll need a boilerplate, like it starts with HTML. So every code in HTML starts with HTML. Okay. So if we just type HTML, like it will just recommend this. So we can just hit enter to get this beautiful boilerplate light right here. So the first line here, doc type HTML, it just denotes that this is a HTML5 document. Okay, so it just denotes this, and we are just starting with the HTML tag, and we are having this corresponding HTML closing tag, and we are having the head tag like right here, and after that we are having this body tag. So inside body we will write whatever the content we need inside the website, and the in head tag we will have like the title and the style of the structure that we are using, like using the CSS, and the scripting using JavaScript, like if we just go responsive. Okay, so we can just have this head right here, and we are just having this body. Inside this body we can just give like any tag that we want. Before that, these are also called as HTML elements. This is like a body HTML element, like this is a head element, and this whole thing is HTML element. Okay, this whole file is HTML element. Okay, so these are all HTML elements. So we can have something like, so p tag, which refers to the paragraph tag. So if we just type p, it will recommend the tag. So we can just hit enter to get the close tag immediately, like automatically. Okay, so inside this p tag we can just give any text that we want, like any text that we want like this. So this paragraph tag does something like it just produce the text as output, like whatever we are typing in. Okay, so that's what the paragraph tags work is. So we see more about paragraphs in upcoming videos, so you don't have to worry about this. We are just seeing some of the examples of HTML elements here, not the complete thing about this paragraph tags or any other tags that we are using as an example. Okay, we will see about those particular tags in particular videos in future. Okay, so let's have like anchor tag. So this is about it just displays the link. So it just used for link. So we can just hit enter as it's recommending. So it just have an attribute called href. So we will see more about attributes in next video. So in href we will have like what the site that we want to get visited, like we can just give like www.google.com, and we can just give the text here that will be displayed as link in the website. Okay, so if we can see in the inside the browser, so that we can understand that what this a tag doing, and we can have the title here. So this just goes like we can just give like HTML elements like this, HTML elements. So we can just run this first to get familiar with that how it works, okay, how it looks like inside the browser. So before that, we have to save this. Just press Ctrl S to save this, and we can just open our browser to check all these. Okay, so we are having this. So let me just reload this page to get this. So we are just having this title right here, you can see here. So it's called HTML elements. So this is where the title goes. So if we can edit this, we can just edit this tab name. Okay, this is what the title means. And we are having the paragraph tag inside the body. So the body content is from this box. Okay, this whole thing, sorry about that, this whole thing, this white space is where the body goes. Okay, so this whole thing is body tag, and we are having this text right here. This is the paragraph tags result. So we can just see here the any text that we want, and we are having this link right here. This is the result of this a tag. And if we touch this, we can just go to google.com. okay, www.google.com. So this is where the site goes. Okay, so we can just give it just looks like a link you can see in couple of websites that you have may visited. So you can just see this is how we produce links in websites. Okay, so we are having this many tags. So we will also see about this anchor tag in particular videos. You don't have to worry about that. So we are just having these examples. Okay, so there are some of the tags that doesn't require end tag itself. Okay, so here you can see this paragraph tag has a corresponding end tag, and this anchor tag also have a corresponding end tag. Okay, so we are having tag like break, which is called as br. So this tag doesn't require any end tag like this. Okay, doesn't require any end tag like this. Okay, we don't have this, sorry about that. It just autofills, it just helps us. So it doesn't require any end tag, it just the empty tag like this. Okay, so it doesn't require any content, and also it just doesn't require any end tag. Okay, it just an empty tag. Okay, so if it's a use like it just splits this line. Okay, this is a single line right here, so you can see on the website without doing this. So I just didn't save that, and also I didn't reload this page. So you are seeing about the lost codes, the previous codes output. So you can see this is a single line right here. So we are just using the break here, so it will breaks the line into two lines. So if we just save this and we can just reload this, so we can have these two lines, this beautiful two lines right here. So we just break the line into two, so broke the line into two, so we can see here. So this is how the empty tags also be used in this HTML elements. Okay, so we are just having these for HTML. So I recommend you to try these all in your PC, so to check how it works. So you can check my previous videos that what editor I'm using like that. So you can just watch the previous video to start from basic. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, let me know in comments. So bye.